Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This is Daisy. So again, it's just gone past midnight and I'm unable to sleep because usually I am working at this time. So I just thought, why not do some more baking? I know this is becoming like a habit, right? I just thought, why not use time in a correct way? So I have thought of baking a chocolate cake today. I have done this recipe a few times before and it has been gorgeous. Obviously, because I do eggless cake, this is going to be an eggless chocolate cake. Yeah, so let me just show you what we need. Okay, so to start with, we'll need, these are my equipments, let's leave them there. So we'll need a 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar granulated, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and we'll need 80 ml of oil, half a teaspoonful of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and this is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have that, you could use plain vinegar or you could use lemon juice. And this one is a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Obviously, you will need water. So we have 1 cup, 200 ml of water. As you can see, all these ingredients are easily available. We will put the oven to preheat at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So for me, that would be gas mark 4 for 15 minutes. And also we have to get the pan ready, and you could butter it and put your grease paper underneath. This is an 8-inch of baking pan. Okay, so we'll start by sieving 1.5 cup of all-purpose white flour. Let me tell you, this cup I'm using is 250 ml. This is actually half a cup. And then just sieve it through. After that, we put the cocoa powder, which is 1/4 of a cup. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All the dry ingredients together, sieve them all, mix it. We'll now put the sugar. That was 1 cup. After mixing it well, we just create like a little well in middle. And then we put the water. That's 1 cup of water. In goes the oil, 80 ml. That's the apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. And then that's the vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. And then just mix well. Don't overdo it. Actually, this is really easy to make. I'm just going to let you into one of my little story. I'm married for some 20 odd years. I'm not going to say how much, but it's been quite long. The family were all vegetarian. So every time we had a birthday, it was like a real nightmare to get somebody to do an eggless cake for us. But times has changed. Just go online, get a recipe, and just bake not just an eggless cake. You could even do a vegan cake. Who would have thought? I'm so happy now that I can do it. I do it at least once a week. Right, so we've mixed it together, but don't overdo it. Okay, our cake pan is ready. We're just going to empty it in our tin, in our pan. Oh, look at that. Actually, I would just do 2 of these cakes and put them one on top of the other. So it'll be 2 layers. You just have to tap it a few times. Okay, so this has already gone off. It's been 15 minutes. We've been heating this. So I'm just going to put this inside now. Okay. This. We're just going to set it up for 27 minutes and let it cook. Okay, seems like it's already cooked. We just need to remove the cake now. Here we are, it's all done. A little tip, how do you know that it's already cooked? Just use a toothpick or something sharp, just put it in there and then take it out. It's clean, that means it's cooked. This is the second one I made using the same recipe because I've decided to have the cake one on top of each other. Just make it a thicker cake. So this is the second one, but I've used the same recipe as the first one. So now that the cake is done and it's cooling down, let me show you what we need for the icing. So really simple things, as you can see, just 4 or 5 items. We need a 1/4 cup of butter. It has to be unsalted and soft. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 cup of icing sugar, and we will need 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract and 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of milk. Start with the butter. We're just going to whisk this. Just add the sugar and the cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget the milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then we'll add more if we need to. We'll just see if the cake is cooled down enough, and then we can start applying this. It's lovely. There we go. Yeah, both cake are cooler now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do try the recipe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.